My name is Bena Achoma. I represent the people of Adilang in the district council, and I am a member of DEC. I hold the portfolio of Secretary for Health. Honorable Minister, we are humbly grateful for your visit and for bringing us, I want to believe, the right person who is well placed to respond to our issues. Like my chairman alluded to, the security situation is not good. Our people here, their heart is hanging because of an incident which happened around 2 a.m. It's just behind us here, that mango tree. One of our community members came out to ease himself, and I think the warriors were within and shot him. I thank God that he is out of danger. I talked to Dr. Smart. The harrow was removed. He had some blood, and they put the tube supporting him to release the blood. But also we need now to support the family to pay the hospital bill, because that family is really vulnerable. On the issue of wildlife, the buffaloes, the elephants, Honorable Minister, like it was reported earlier, that the destruction of crops, of foodstuff, of agricultural produce along this belt, starting from Lachekoto, you come to Odom, right to Cameroon, then Laket in Lapono, Lirakato, almost the borderline. Our communities are gravely affected by the destruction of wildlife. Right now, in this report, which I have given you a copy, over 180 acreage of gardens of potatoes, gardens of sorghum, gardens of maize, of cassava. And you know, cassava is our food security. All were destroyed. All were destroyed. Honorable Minister, these mothers here wanted to dance for you. They asked me, but now we are hungry. Our heart is paining. We don't even have the energy to dance before our leader, before our minister. That the leadership of Adilang sub-county worked very closely with our technical team. We have our senior agricultural officer is here. We have our senior assistant secretary is here. He helped us to work closely. They visited each garden which was destroyed, and they were able to quantify that an acre of sorghum destroyed cost 420,000. An acre of beans destroyed cost 7 million. An acre of millet destroyed cost 2 million. We have costed them there, and the report is right there with you, Honorable Minister and the Director of WUA. Our prayer, because the report is there with you, our prayer is that, can we try to cut short this long bureaucracy? The long bureaucracy. The scouts have reported. The scouts have reported to Agric. The Agric came and verified. He compiled the report. The sub-county chief, office of the LC5, office of COW, furnished, and to you, the WUA. Imagine in 2017, in January, on the 23rd, a mother was killed in Ajua village, Ajua Central Ward, in La PM. A mother was killed by a buffalo That was in 2017. We went there. Our LC5 is here. We went there. Your team came, supported just the burial. That mother left a baby of 6 months with other 5 siblings. The family is there. It is unfortunate that even the father passed on some time back because of the LRI. So the children have remained vulnerable in the hands of the relatives. I want to pray that can this woman be compensated to now take care of the children who have remained. You know, everything that happens, I don't know why we women, we are the most affected. So I want to ask and urge that the government is for the people. And these offices we are in, we should be able to serve the people of Uganda. The people of Agago, the people of Adilang, they are not exceptional. If we are to remind you, our vote seems to be going in vain. But we are happy that our minister is really doing our best. That's why today this team is here. Because from 2017, nobody, the LC5 tried, but at least she's here. She has tried to bring you the team. So we want to pray that this long bureaucracy in government, let it be emergency. A buffalo has injured, a buffalo has killed, the wildlife have destroyed crops. Let it be emergency.
Padahal mati ko na atika. Siro ngan mer ber ko na nyimu ni entu ulo kare kan okerti. Pien me nyutu ni ni pur ginu mo mer ko kirka ka pul ko pur bi ni pula dia ke wa ngari kar per pula da ko ban me pula dia kan do pur ko duan yuri en kar per pula da ko we kana po en merio kamenda ka yuwer ni bunyi don lo bunyi ko palwa bien we kichwalo ngata dong tiche gamen me gano ker mi doro lok me lono lokom le mi dilungwen eni go bini ya gago ko bini la pono ko bini dilan ku winjire peki arranyi ma pat male me timja kel kom dano weken ko do ye bien ne ndo winjini peto piginu mo ma kitimu bodjo male o timo rani kom gi meni peke to arne gwandu ti wat we are loko wen bod won miet ngor len do bi ngor wa tian gina mer we chuti kiteni ane hunu wo ane hunu kejo ento kejo piwek na la welbe ko nena de kejo piana keme ken pe koni chan luki ki kore ede winyo ani waka koni ko tiana miti bal mo ken war be kanone to ko timme me achien joma ki bichono nyingi nyo joma ki cho nyingi elie baro kabire liech umula nyogene onyoro nyimene miero bed ngata da ma liech nyo onyoro kabire ngo nyime man pa wa beno giteno sakare pieri ka mo kene inyo chalo mal ka chane potiti na ka dano ti na ka ilum chi jo biru ka chochi biru me te yo do guru kan inyo chalo ka la pon ka chane te ko ti na ka ket dan ti yo ne ma ka dilang chire na ko ti do yo ko chojo jiko ga dog yo kom jo ma ke balo jeme gine gen po no ngo no warga po no fomo cha meti ya dilang dom a choto aka baleo ber yir dan kamron beti jo ma leo balo jeme gine we mier ke cho nyingi ya ko ber ma ngo okay ya we ka cholo me mier gino balo yo ke cholo ka do me gino po ne balo nyimber bo me gino be la pena me go balo ke cholo gara kare we gino kero ke ngol miel ngo kare kilo ko ci wa ko be kere be la dok ka buru dilang dok ma cuñe kwe kere mo amit be dok ma cuñe kwe kere ko be ka dok parlement dok ma cuñe kwe ni ultu jowa ma le mi timu kel pere kom gine ki kwe cuñe gi an me no kwe cuñe chira ni ci na ka chari o mo dikku so ki lok ngo lo hada ngata giro ban pe we ko dum chen nyego mo piten mo pe we ngatu mo ma ke bala jemne ke wek ni ko mana chiel ko na mario ande bi logo ngo bot ke ye bena we ka chan o mer jema di jema rio jemi wek jem ma ke ti petne ku bitin ni kal ni mutu la ni mutu ni le pi do ko bal ke to bal ma ngo mo ka la kon kore ni jo weng miru bando wajo ko ma ke balo leo balo jemi ke min ki pien ka kamwa yene be ne ki kom dano jo ken na gina ku ko do ko ker keno ngo so ki la mi wane we ko tidul tien wane dek we ko tidi jo wane dek pien ki achamo ka pe ke lo ka pole wat ke lo balle ke la lwen ke la ka charo ci wan po mi ti pa le mi dum ko ke lwen ko ke charo yot kan ka kar ko so mier ke bin mi dano jammi ke legi ko mi sa ben be wajo ni do pa me lo ka ma pol lo ku keno mer mede ni matie eni yeni mwakane ani angane dwe ma bi eto lo ke roche mwakane pete aber ma be ke bi kwano dan lo mugo ke me kere chirimi nit ma ke wai gine ki pini gamo ko bina de ki kore jo kere ke peni buri ma ha buri peni ya ngat cha au bini penir pu ke pe par choy me gine ngo mi te wache ni a yir mo ne gine chamo tie I wacho pe en choy mer pero bi mi gine ba ti digeri report dugu ni jo ga wen buri pien ya jo ga wen pilor do ko na ke jo ga wen ku cher ga kwat pien jo ni ne te to mole mo ni o te ta te to le mo de pe ni yire kwa je di pa kwa no an ke ko te ga kwat report jo do ke kunu report pat no ne gine ki kel kan gina mier gina jo ko kwa ne mier ko no eni ki kelu eto unu wini le mo ni gino mier ki kel jo adon le mo pe ki kelu ti ya be lok lo da mo ti mo di wa ti wa na pa ngomo wor kel mi cher ka ji wa chi lela so ni me sense has ne ki lok ngo lo da wini ma be wa da cher ka ji kuneo gana mi neno ni kero ame pu me de anyi muti on jama pol ke bi po ko pu kere bete jona ma male ni kedwa eto ga men pu mer ke teno
Go and try to go and get your la corre de yo era una pega team. Kage we join in get yo la pega mo de maleo jamu por me ke come. Mero lega na no bot one ba. Lega na no. Lega mo wati lega no wati yo ka gapi wa dam le mo rog la pega la tuna pe wa ngoro. Lo ba pe miro no no. Wati yo ka da Mero gino we wana biro ka nyeno ba amena folo tele wu ma pe won ko ma bit pe ter dure pe ati wa bera pe ter dure pe won ko ma der mohammed ajure wara won ko ma dem pe ter dure pe ko du ni lo ko pere te ara mir ni la bi pa lo wu ati ko na ba wan wenyo ngom pa wu ma ti agago pere ko mir mi na wala gam no Pierre que te de yo que te waje wani ngompa uwa kono ngompa wanu ngir ngompa uwa pe ko ngompa uwa pe ya ga ko ngompa no kin ga e tie ko la dit ko
So do you want this to be part of the park? Hello? Hello? Do you want this to be part of the park? No. Then it is not.
Yes,
No, there is no park here. You people are settled on your land.
Yeah.
Use it usefully so that you grow good livelihoods.
So what who will walk it do away? Ngompa pak pere I want to go over na ne le me pak do ko ne eno wadi ne pe ko ti adi atien akama pak te ye ti Karea district yes ti Karea district kakama ki debo ti ye eno kunu lara ngom ti kin pak ki jo me Karea o we kakama kene ki wuri ki ti akonyo bu mano le ki kalo kakama kene ki ti akato waya match Maliet pe carro eto gien pe rawti mo nay Karea we le ti ka la kan dore kan ka gero ti ko fe mi land dispute mati Karea ki bi jaw keto waya mi gengo le bi pido bien ko ne Ngompa one kan ngompa who pay ya gago wa winu ki doge.
I just wanted to add one important thing. There is no part of Agago that is a protected area. No part of Agago district is within the park. No, not any.
Otia winu lokati wa. Ni peti ngompa ka mo mati ngompa ga meta me we ngompa le ngompa ka ngompa wegine. Thank you. Ano tika kepanyo ka tiwa kan. Kibera watu nilo timir renja ne biru we wa dog down dek ngome ki chawe chawe tuor mi pa kere mi ngo. Kati ka time kan waro we go git ko ko. Be ka time wa. Ne kan pe. Ina da sen di wa ja ko. Yan wa no la ko ni wa tu ke ke pe te ba. So wa ko e mati ka pe kan. So, ana tamu ne kino wa tamu ne wa waj we no ba. Au kilo ka chela rio mo. Ero. Ke matamu no ni. Wate kere.
Do wa ram pelo pinko. En imero lego keja botu ni le ne bino balo jamewo o wore poru biro tim keja. Ero gini tiga yele ki tek minero ne gino yo. Ma wego lene do pe duogu chien balo jeme woke poru kan.
So let's find ways of working together so that we can reduce the suffering you have.
Wayene yo wego tiu ka chiel. Wego geo kit pero eneni. Male kelo botwa le mitimi.
Thank you very much.
Afoyo